In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your email has been read in just a few minutes. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants to track their emails using Gmail, and we'll be using a convenient tool called MailTrack to help us achieve this. So let's dive right in and make those unread emails a thing of the past. First, open your internet browser and type email tracker for Gmail into the search bar. This is the phrase that will bring up the tools we need. You'll find many options, but today we're going to focus on one of the most popular and user-friendly tools available, MailTrack. Once you have searched for it, click on the link for Email Tracker by MailTrack. This will take you to the web page where you can add this helpful extension to your browser. It's important to note that adding browser extensions can greatly enhance your email experience by automatically integrating the email tracking feature directly into your Gmail account. Next, you'll see an option to add to browser. Click on that, and when prompted, click add extension. This simple step integrates MailTrack into your online tools. It's a straightforward process, but if you have any previous extensions or pop-ups blocking the installation, make sure to address those first to avoid installation issues. Once the extension is installed, the next step is to connect with your Google account, which is easily done by clicking on Connect with Google on the MailTrack page. You might have to log in, so be ready with your Gmail credentials. This connection is crucial because it allows MailTrack to access your email account and monitor the sent messages. The next step you'll encounter is a prompt to sign up free. This registration is necessary to start with MailTrack. It's quick and easy, and MailTrack will guide you through any preferences or settings related to email tracking and notifications. With everything set up, head over to your Gmail account, navigate to your sent folder. This is where the magic happens, and you can track the emails you've sent. You'll notice a new checkmark icon next to your sent emails. This icon is MailTrack's way of indicating the status of your email. A single checkmark means the email was sent successfully, and when you see a double checkmark, it confirms that the email has been opened by the recipient. This simple feature can significantly improve how you manage follow-ups and communication in both professional and personal contexts. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your emails are being viewed. If you have any questions or want additional tips about using email tracking, feel free to explore more features that MailTrack and other similar extensions offer. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.